To connect AirPods 4 into your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to start from your AirPods. So you have to be sure that you are not connected with any of your devices. So I'm gonna actually disconnect right now. There we go. And we have to enter for the pairing mode. And we have to do this by double tapping right here. And if it is not working, you will have to close this case. Wait until indicator disappears, open it one more time, and now do this. There we go. As you can see right now, this indicator is blinking, which means that we are in the pairing mode. Now grab your Apple Watch and simply go into the menu. You have to keep scrolling until you find the settings. And it's just right here. Now go into the Bluetooth settings and turn on the Bluetooth by clicking on the switcher. Then select AirPods. Now just wait for this pairing. It will take probably around a few moments. If it is not working, like in my case, you can simply switch off the Bluetooth and do this one more time. Right now it's searching for the AirPods, so let's select them one more time. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Sometimes you will have to just be patient and wait a little bit and simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.